Hey guys, Matt Crazy Titans fan here with a one box break. I got 2017 Phoenix. My breaks haven't been going as planned, so I just keep breaking into a box slowly but surely. So yeah, we're gonna open this one now because I feel like it. I did okay in the Prism after waiting a while, so I figured we would open the Phoenix now. Supposed to be like 1 RPA, something like that. That one looks thicker, so we'll keep it. So does that one. So does that one. Might be dummies, but yeah, we'll open those last. Anyway, we'll try to breeze through these. We don't want a super long break, if I can even open them. Okay. Pack number 1 sucks. Obviously, I love the Phoenix look. So right off the bat, got the Mike Williams, Landon Collins, Power Surge. I don't remember which ones these are numbered. Marcus May from the Jets, 73 out of 75. Curtis Martin, Michael Strahan. Oh my God.
I can open them.
I know. These like really suck right now. Oh. Yeah, those are rough. Gerald Everett. Cam Chancellor had a 199. Derek Rippers had a 299. Emmitt Smith and Allen Robinson. Hopefully don't take me. Oh my God. Webb, a nice Tom Brady triumphant insert. Bo Jackson out of 149. Luck and Cousins. D'Angelo D. Lano Hill, rookie with some Barry Sanders out of 299. Legends. Larry Fitzgerald out of 299. A lot of numbered cards. LT and McCoy. Holy shit. These are rough. These are probably the most rough packs I've ever tried to open. Janu Smith, Jalen Rush, Bo Jackson. Those nice looking cards. Remove Foster out of 299. Jim Zorn. It's just green. Cam Newton. So we still got all 3 hits left. Alex Anilone, whatever his name is. James Conner, rookie rising. Garcon Conley at a 149. Jeremy Curley and JJ Watt. So far, nothing really low numbered other than that. 75. These packs open funny. Darius Stewart. Deshaun Kaiser, rookies rising. Had 299. Lots of numbered. Sam Bradford at 299. Coleman and a Sweet Moon. My pile. Still got 3 hits, I think, right?
Yeah.
Like, these are made out of gum. Jordan Willis, Patrick Mahomes, rookie rising. It's pretty cool. Dwayne Smoot out of 99. Ray Lewis, Andy Dalton.
Maybe all 3.
Yeah, I know. See, that's about stupid. Okay. Stupid. Charles Harris, a Leonard Fournette out of 75. Yeah. Dante Foreman out of 299. There's just like 20 numbered. Quincy and Keekly. So I guess all 3 hits should be in here.
Open them from the back.
So we'll pull these up there, I guess. Dak Prescott, Tyreek Hill, Alex, that guy again. Oh, damn it. Oh, well, I guess it's just the patch. So Wayne Galliman at a 199. So we got a Dante Foreman relic out of 25. This is actually my second relic of this guy out of 25.
Can I see it?
So yeah, I was hoping that was a Watson. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. These packs got me all flustered. So yeah, don't even know if I'm doing that right. Staubach at a 199. Nelson, Donald, Cup, of course. It's Amaro Darbo. That's my RPA at a 299. That was a skinny sleeve in there. That's why it didn't fit. And of course, we're gonna have a redemption. John Ross, green, 25 out of 25. Got the Wentz, the Tim Brown, the Humphrey, and a Corey Davis. Hot rookie material signatures. So a nice little PC for the Titans. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that was my box of 2017 Phoenix. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See ya.
See ya, bye.